people have seen you before on TV and a couple of places. Where have they seen you before?
Most people know me from Naked and Afraid, of course. My favorite show to ever film was Dual Survival. And that one we're clothed. That one we have a backpack full of supplies.
Tell us a little bit about your car. Do you have future plans with it? I know the seat covers are kind of the first step.
I just bought this Jeep right before I went to my last challenge. So this is my first trip I've ever driven on it. So I'm going to turn it into this off-road powerhouse.
Nice.
And the Ruff Tuff seat covers are the first thing I wanted. You know, like I said, comfort. I appreciate comfort now. This doesn't even look like my car. This car looks like it's instantly worth like $20,000 more. So I can put my pistol in there right between my legs. These are not the seat covers that you feel at a local auto parts store. I mean, this is, I can't tell that they're not reupholstered. I had high expectations because I knew you guys were the king of high-end seat covers, but I mean, this exceeds my highest expectation. I'm going to recommend this to my entire family. They're going to want Christmas presents now. Well, now I just want to go drive. And I've already been driving for all day. I came up from Las Vegas.
2-hour drive still.
Yeah, I'm going to break these babies in.
Awesome.